Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you an amazing, brand new text-to-video generator that's completely free. First things first, let's head over to this incredible website. Quick heads up, it's originally in Chinese, so make sure to translate it to English for easy navigation. Alright, to get started, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click that and enter your phone number to create an account. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the second option for video generation. Prepare to be blown away by the quality of these AI-generated videos. Check out this adorable duck playing a guitar. And a panda munching on bamboo. Let's create our own video. Navigate to the text input area and type in your creative prompt. Hit that Generate Video button and give it about 1 to 2 minutes to work its AI magic. I've already created 3 mind-blowing videos, which you can see right here on the screen. Oh, and the best part? There's an option to download your masterpiece directly from the site. As you can see, the video quality is absolutely stunning. But wait, there's more. You can generate unlimited videos on this website. That's right, unlimited creativity at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.